guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have come up with a new unboxing video on Logitech's wireless keyboard and mouse. So we all are in a work from home era and we all know how much we are dependent on this external keyboards and mouse. Previously I was using the wired devices, so I thought let me just switch it to wireless mode. There's so many options to buy in wireless mode, but I preferred Logitech because of its classy look. So without any further ado, let's start the video.
So today I received this parcel from Amazon. I have ordered mouse and the keyboard separately. It's not a combo kit, so let's unbox it. This is the keyboard. Look how compact it is, and this is the mouse. Let me just unbox the keyboard first and then I'll go with mouse. So I'll keep this aside. Okay. So here it comes. Look how compact it is. It's really classy. Let's see what all we got. We just got some user manual and a few instructions how to use it. Okay, now let's test it and after that we'll unbox the mouse. Okay, now let's test it. I'll just switch it on here and then I'll just turn on my Bluetooth. Okay, as they have mentioned, we have to long press it until we get that popping. Okay, so you could see in the screen keyboard. Let me just connect it. Okay, we have to enter this pin just for security purpose maybe. 068. Yeah, now it's connected. So let's try. I'll just open the notepad. Okay, now let me just type and show you. As they have mentioned, we can connect more than 2 devices, but we can use it only one device at a time. So let's see that also. So here's my phone. I'll just turn on my Bluetooth and I will just give pair new device and I will press this second key, same as I did for the first one. And yeah, as you could see this, so I'll just connect it. Okay, again I have to press the same number here in the keyboard. Yeah, it's connected now. So let's test it now here. Yeah, see. You can type only one device at a time. So if you want to switch it to your laptop, you just have to press the first button. And now if I type, it's coming here. And if you want to type in mobile, you can just press this second option. So you can connect 3 devices with this keyboard, and yeah, that's how it works. Look how compact and classy this looks, and it makes your workspace so beautifully organized. Let's unbox the mouse and see how it works. This is how it looks. And we have got one user manual and yeah, instructions and all. So let's open it and check. So you have a battery and a connector, and they say that no need to change this battery for 1 year it lasts. I don't know whether it lasts or not, but they have mentioned in the instructions. And even for this keyboard they have told that you need not change the battery for 2 years. I don't know how much true it is, but I should check it. Okay, now let's just connect it. So now I have connected it with the connector. It's mentioned that you can connect it with both Bluetooth as well as the connector. For Bluetooth you have to turn this on and connect it, but now I have connected with the connector. Now let's just see how it works. Yeah, that's how it works. And that's how you can organize your workspace. Just look how compact and how neat your table looks.
So yeah, that's all about today's video. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, then don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and share it to your friends who all need this classic device. And do subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to get notified on all my new videos. And I've mentioned all the purchase links in the description. You can go and purchase it from there. Yeah, let's meet in next video. Until then, bye bye.